Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to check video memory on Windows 11 so you can see your VRAM and graphics details. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Right-click the Start menu and select Settings to open your system settings. Step 2. Go to System where core features like display and storage are managed. Step 3. Click Display to adjust your screen and view display options. Step 4. Scroll down and click Advanced Display under Related Settings for detailed info. Step 5. Click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1 to see your graphics card details. Step 6. Check your dedicated video RAM and memory information. Method 2. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and select Run to open the command window. Step 2. Type DxDiag and click OK to open the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Step 3. Go to the Display tab to see your graphics card info. Step 4. View your video memory, VRAM, and other details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.